Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now. Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now. So in this video, I will be teaching you how you can make $300 or more on a consistent basis. So if you're struggling at work or if you don't have enough money to pay for bills or anything like that, this may help you. So by combining several websites, including Facebook, you can make $300 or more on a consistent basis. So stay tuned and don't skip ahead. So we're going to combine Facebook, OfferVault, gift card offers, and a Gmail account, which equals cha-ching. It's super easy to set up. You only have to do it once or repeat as many times as needed, and it's free and available worldwide. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. And of course, please also give this video a like. Please share it with everybody you know and leave a comment down below. We'd appreciate it. So let's get going. Okay, so this is called OfferVault.com. And what is OfferVault? OfferVault is a place similar to like ClickBank or Digistore24, but what's really interesting is that they can also do click per action type of advertising on here. So basically all you're doing is just getting leads and they will pay you for those leads. So what we want to do before you do anything, of course, is to register. Yeah, so you put in your information, contact information, and hit submit now and go through all of the different prompts that they give you. It's pretty well self-explanatory, right? So after you get all that completed, then you'll have an account. So I will go and show you the next step. So what ClickBank and the other type of affiliate marketing companies have, you have to buy something from them in order for you to get a commission, and that makes it very difficult. With OfferVault, they have what is called click per action, which basically all they're looking for is leads. Okay, so when a Samsung S20 is sweepstakes, right? So all they're doing is looking for leads. Okay, and for every lead you get paid. Now some of them are very lucrative, but you have to really understand the product. So what I would suggest is to look at some of these and see if it makes sense. All right. You have to find something that's really, really worth it. So another thing that you can do is go up to where it says networks. You can, if you understand these networks and what they are all about, they might be able to get something that some like a card. I'm not trying to confuse people, but like let's say you get a $500 gift card, right? So instead of going through all that headache, just type up here gift card, right, and see what pops up. Okay, so here's a Costco gift card, right, and it's a sweepstakes, and for every person that you refer to this offer, you get paid $8, right? Burger King, Domino's, Bath and Body Works. There is a ton of them, guys. Yeah, the payouts are kind of small, but considering um, that there are thousands of people on the next website, which I will show you, and the more people you drive to that offer, and that they put their information in as a lead, basically all they need is an email address and a name. You get paid every single time someone does that. Well, how about free samples and gift cards, right? For CoverGirl, Chic, Burger King, Domino's. I mean, there's a lot of stuff here. CVS, DeWalt. Anybody who is in or has um, a workshop at home. No, how about that? So there's a ton of them. So you need to go through this, and once you do, you sign up to get their um, Amazon Prime. That's probably one of the best ones. So you go ahead and let's click on it, see what happens. All right. So the payout is $3 CPA, and all they have to do is preview the landing page. No, they actually have to put their email address. So after you read through it, you hit run offer and you get your affiliate link. After you get the affiliate link, you go over to bit.ly to get that shortened. After you get the bit.ly link, then what you want to do is to save it on a notepad. The next place you want to go, of course, is Facebook. And what you want to do is create your own group. All right? And at the top of, after you do this, just go through it. The purpose of this little tutorial is not to show you how to create a Facebook account or a Facebook group. But once you go through here, you want to make sure that you save the group name and all that so you know where to go. After you're done, let's say you've created the Internet Marketing to Financial Freedom group. I know it's not your group, but for the purpose of this video, let's say that this is your group. After you get that done, what you want to do is go to similar groups and put that CPA offer in there, and then have that traffic go to this new group, right? And make sure that they join you. Once you do that, you'll start to gain more and more and more people. All right? And all you're doing is driving traffic. basically that's the purpose of this video, is how to drive traffic. So at the top of the post, let's say this is yours, you write in the information that is on Offer Vault, okay, regarding this Amazon Prime, okay? And they'll give you a whole bunch of marketing things that you can just copy and paste. And then you paste it over in here. And then what you want to do is pin that. They will give you an option to pin it at the top of your group. So anybody who comes onto this site will automatically see your offer, okay? That's very important. A lot of people who have these groups in Facebook don't do that. The next thing, after you're done with setting up a Facebook group, the next thing you want to do before you actually make the ad, because that's basically what it is, right, is you go over to Gmail. You set up a brand new Gmail account. You can have as many as you want, okay? And then on the cogwheel over here, it says Settings. You want to click that, and then you want to hit All Settings, and then scroll down to the bottom. You'll see this page. You want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you want to click on Vacation Responder On. You want to put in the subject matter. Hey, thank you for responding. And then you want to put in your call to action in here, right? Along with your link. What you do not want to do is to put the links directly to the offer on Facebook. Otherwise, you can get banned off of Facebook. Instead, write something along the lines, hey, if you're interested in getting an Amazon gift card for absolutely free, or whatever the offer is, then you want to direct them to that Gmail email account, and along the lines of, so if you're interested, please contact me at my email address right here. Send me a quick email saying that you're interested, and I'll respond right back with the link to the offer, or something of that nature. Then they'll go back over to Offer Vault, or actually to that offer, and they will type in the information, and then you get paid. So that's how this works. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this with everybody you know, and put a comment down below. And also, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. So that's it for today's tutorial, and hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button. Share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next video.